As architects and designers, we have the opportunity to create not only beautiful buildings, but also sustainable and energy efficient ones. One critical consideration in achieving these goals is the design of mechanical systems. By incorporating energy efficient strategies into our designs, we can reduce energy consumption, save money on utility bills, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. There are many ways to design energy efficient mechanical systems. For example, the selection of high efficiency HVAC equipment, such as heat pumps or variable refrigerant flow systems, can significantly reduce energy consumption compared to traditional HVAC systems. These systems not only save energy but can also be designed to fit the specific needs of a building, such as the temperature, humidity, and ventilation requirements. Passive design strategies are also important for reducing energy consumption. These include the use of shading devices, natural ventilation, and energy efficient building envelopes, which can reduce the need for mechanical systems and further improve energy efficiency. For example, the orientation of a building can maximize the use of natural light and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, which can significantly reduce energy consumption. Lighting controls, such as occupancy sensors and daylight harvesting systems, are another important strategy for reducing energy consumption. These systems can reduce lighting energy consumption by up to 50%. The selection of energy efficient plumbing fixtures, such as low flow toilets and faucets, can also significantly reduce water consumption and the associated energy required to heat and pump water. Energy efficiency is a critical consideration in mechanical system design, and it is our responsibility as architects and designers to incorporate energy efficient strategies into our designs. By doing so, we can create a more sustainable, cost effective, and environmentally friendly building.